Hello everyone and welcome to the video. In this lecture we will be discussing a numerical. The question is discuss attribute by attribute problems that may have been found in the following database. So we have given a database consisting of customer ID, zip, gender, income, age, marital status and transactions. We need to find the problems in the following database. For the first column, that is customer ID, it seems to be fine. There are no problems in the customer field. Now let's check for the zip code. Here we are expecting all the customers in the database to have usual 5-digit US zip code. So the customer 1002 is okay. Now the customer 1002 has a zip code of J2S7 S7K7, which is an unusual one, but we can't consider it as unusual because it may be from international orders. Like so, as we can see, it is a zip code from Canada, so it can be a problem to the following database. And similarly, the customer ID of 1003 is also fine. For the customer 1004, we are unaware of any countries that have 4-digit zip code such as 6269 indicate here. So this must be an error in the following case. Now we need to check for 1005. So the zip code for a New England states generally begin with numerical 0 unless the zip code field is defined to be a character or numeric. The software will probably chop off the leading 0, hence it is a 40 zip code. And the zip code for 1005 is also fine. The gender attribute, the attribute contains a missing value for the customer 1003. As we can see, no gender is specified for 1003, hence it's a problem in this case. The next one is the income field. The income field consists of outliners. As we can see, the income of 1003 customer is very large as compared to the others one. So it is an outliner and extreme data value. Certain statistical and data mining model technique do not function smoothly in the presence of outliners. Customer 1004's income is minus $40,000, which is not possible. Hence, it is also an error in the following database. For the customer ID 1005, the income is 99,999, which may also be considered as an error because it's usually rounded off to nearest 5,000, so it must be rounded off. So this is also an error in the income field. The next one is the age field. The age field has a couple of problems. Although all the other customers have numerical values of age, customer 1001 age pro is reflects an earlier categorization of man age labeled as C, which is not which is not appropriate. And the another problem is with customers 1004 age, which is 0. The age of a person can't be 0, so this is also a problem with the age category in the given database. In the marital status field, the problem lies in the meaning behind the symbols. We don't know what meaning stands for married, M, S, and C, so this is a problem in the marital status field. So the next column is the transaction column. The transaction column is satisfactory as long as we are confident that we know what unit to measure and which unit is being used in the process. So these were the problems in the given database, and these are the ways we find out the problems in the database. Thank you.